Stop scrolling! Your skin isn't just sensitive or breaking out. It's damaged. Your skincare products are stripping your barrier. Let me show you what to do instead. I'm Samantha Dench, a licensed esthetician of 22 years, owner of Skin Deep Aesthetics, author and founder of Zozo Skincare. Your skin is the largest organ of your body and the first line of defense. Its main role? To protect your body from harmful substances and lock moisture in. We're going to cover what the skin barrier is, how it becomes damaged, what it looks like when it's compromised, and how to repair it. Let's dig in. What is the skin barrier? Picture your skin like a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks, and oil, ceramides, and cholesterol make up the mortar, holding it all together. The outermost layer of our skin is called the stratum corneum layer. This makes up our skin barrier. Its job? To keep moisture in and to keep toxins, bacteria, and irritants out. When your brick wall becomes cracked from over-exfoliation, pollutants, or harsh chemicals, this creates microscopic tears in the skin, leading to breakouts, dryness, and inflammation. Why does your skin barrier become damaged? Here are some common culprits. Endocrine disruptors weakens the skin barrier, making it more susceptible to water loss, microscopic tears, and increased skin sensitivity. Harsh facial cleansers. Most believe that a squeaky clean feeling means their skin is clean. This is not true and a sign that your cleanser has stripped your skin. Stripping the skin removes oil and water, causing your skin barrier to break down. Over-exfoliating. Mechanical exfoliating devices, scrubs, acids, or at-home microneedling devices are too aggressive on your skin. While exfoliation is important, it should never leave your skin feeling raw, red, or irritated. What happens when your skin barrier is damaged? Two key things happen. 1, water loss. When moisture escapes from the skin in the form of evaporation, this creates a compromised skin barrier. It leads to dry, tight, or flaky skin, and it could be worse in dry climates or winter months. 2, fight or flight. Your skin sees damage as a threat. Our skin has its own immune system to fight off bacteria, chemicals, pollution, UV rays, and other harmful substances from entering the body. It launches an immune response, releasing inflammatory signals called cytokines that can cause redness, sensitivity, or breakouts. How do you know if your skin barrier is damaged? Our skin is a smart organ and communicates with us by not responding in the way we want it to. Here are some signs to look for. Dry, flaky skin or dry patches, redness or sensitivity, stinging when applying skincare products, premature fine lines and wrinkles, and breakouts. Ever wonder why your skincare products aren't working? Your compromised skin barrier could be the reason why. Skin barrier versus acid mantle. What's the difference? Many confuse our acid mantle with our skin barrier. Both work in similar ways, but have completely different functions. Skin barrier, a structural defense that prevents harmful substances from entering the body. Acid mantle, a pH balancing film that acts like a protective seal. The acid mantle is slightly acidic, between a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. Maintaining this pH is crucial for our skin's defense mechanisms to be active. If we destroy the acid mantle by breaking down our skin barrier, our skin loses its ability to protect against harmful microbes. If you have acne, rosacea, or sensitive skin, a compromised barrier will worsen your symptoms. Ironically, many products designed to clear acne are the very products destroying our skin barrier. Restoring your skin is key to calming inflammation and breakouts. If we let our skin do its job, it will naturally heal itself. Will my skin repair itself? Yes, but it takes time. The skin renews itself every 28 to 40 days, depending on your age and damage levels. Healing your barrier is not an overnight fix. But with the right products and support, you'll begin to see real changes in 4 to 6 weeks. How to repair your skin barrier the right way. This is our specialty. Here are a few ways to heal your skin barrier. Use gentle cleansers. Use non-abrasive exfoliants only once a week. Use barrier boosting serums, hydrating moisturizers, and protect. Sunscreen is a must. Now for the fun part, how to heal from the inside out. Healing your skin barrier isn't just topical. It starts inside the body. Lifestyle changes play a huge part in our health. Here are a few changes you can start doing today. Hydrate. Increase water intake. Protein. More studies are being done on the positive impact of eating fatty red meats. High protein diets increase amino acids, which are the building blocks for our cells, and it slows down the aging process by reducing inflammation. Eliminate sugar. Sugar is highly addictive. It causes inflammation and glycation. Glycation breaks down proteins, speeding up the aging process. We work with you to shift your skincare products and offer diet and lifestyle changes so you can heal from the inside out. Ready to heal your skin? Your skin wants to heal itself. It's trying to. It just needs the right support, and we are here to help. At Skin Deep Aesthetics, we create customized skin plans and guide you with lifestyle changes that promote healthy skin. Visit our website today to book your first facial to start healing your skin barrier.